Good morning, class 10th. I am Gautam Ganguly from Maharashtra Vidyamandi. Today's topic is Geography, chapter number 7. The remaining part, lifelines of Indian economy or national economy. The first one we will see the trade. What is the meaning of trade? Trade means what? Exchange of goods and services is called trade. The trade are two types. First one we can say the balance of trade, and after that we will see international trade, national trade, and internal and external trade. The first one is balance of trade. Balance of trade means what? Whenever export and import of the commodities is comparable, that is called what? Balance of trade. Sometimes we can see one country export more, import less, and sometimes import more or export less. In the same way, it can be happen in the opposite way also. Next one, international trade. International trade means what? When one country is sending their commodities or production to another countries. That is called what? That is called international trade. Now, internal trade. Internal trade means what? When the trading is happening inside in the country from one state to another state or one place to another place. That is called what? Internal trade. Even we can see the local trade also from the village to city. You can see that in villages, in the morning time they collect all vegetables and productive goods or which is indigenous or handicrafts goods and supplied to the cities. Next one, favorable and unfavorable trade. What is favorable trade? Favorable trade means what? If any country that imports less, exports maximum, that means by the exporting goods, if any country earn the foreign money, foreign exchange, that is called what? That trade is called favorable trade. Just opposite is unfavorable trade. Next one is what? That means if import is more and export is less, that is called unfavorable trade. Next one is what is import and what is export. Import means when we are sending something from one country to another country, that is called import. And next, whenever we are bringing something from other countries, that is called import, and whatever we are sending something to other countries, that is called export. Now come to the communication. So this is also a what? This is also a practice of the Indian economy and national economy. Next one, Indian economy, or we can say here national economy. Both are same. Next one, come to another point, that is communication. Communication, there are two types of communication. First one, personal communication, another one, mass communication. In personal communication, phone, cell phone, then internet, these are called personal communication. Then local, in phone we can say local, then STD, ISD, STD means that is for India or inside the country, okay, and ISD which is of international call. Next one, television. Television is also a mass communication, under the mass communication. Television, it is the largest network. If we say about the Doordarshan is a national or terrestrial network. Maximum network is there. Next one, radio, television. These are the one under the mass communication. Next one, IT, internet. That is also an example of mass communication. The importance of mass communication is what? That the programs can be delivered, education can be given, and Indian feature films, which is having the main role to earn the Okay, this is called this is called the communication. Next, come to the another point. Last point is tourism. Tourism is what? There are four types of tourism. First one, cultural tourism. Tourism for recreation. Recreation means if we go outing anywhere, that is called what? That is called recreation. And cultural tourism means for performance of any type of cultural art activity, that are called what? Cultural tourism. Then commercial tourism, commercial visits. For example, heritage tourism. Some places you can see that it is written it is a heritage place. As for example, if you go to Khajuraho temple, if you go to Puri Jagannath temple, there we can see many heritage is there. It's medical tourism. Medical tourism for medicinal purpose or for medical reasons. If we go from one place to another place, that is called medical tourism. Business tourism is also there. What are the importance of input? What are the importance of this tourism? We can earn foreign exchange. That means foreign money by the help of tourism. You know that in this time India is facing the problem of big pandemic, and because of this we are facing a foreign exchange because no foreign people are coming to our country. Even Indian people cannot move from one place to another place for the purpose of tourism. So that's why it is a big loss for tourism industry. This time is a big loss for tourism industry. Next one, tourism also provide employment. Then national integration. After that, promotion of water industries and handicraft industries. These all are the effects of the tourism industries. Because by the help of tourism, we can improve our